Welcome, welcome. If Sewing Notions have a job, the job would be to make our sewing faster, more efficient, more accurate, any of those variables. That's why we decide to pick up something new. So I have a wonderful new toy for you, and I'm very excited to show you all of it. And it's a straight grain ruler. So why is it so easy? Is because when we go to make pants, and that grain line, the pants are the one garment that grain line is the most critical. Anything else can be a little bit off, but when pants are off, that leg will twist every time. There's no fixing it. Once it's off, it's off. So when we lay out pants, we measure here, we measure there, we switch, we change. It doesn't ever stay consistent. So the ruler, it starts off straight. Easy to store, easy to travel, easy to go. It starts off straight. One side clicks up, clicks into place. It makes a 90-degree. Again, it can be used for a T-square, a knee ruler, but the other side now clicks up, and now we have it for the perfect grain ruler. And the reason being is I can lay this part along the selvage, along the fabric, and this part becomes my grain line. You're going to pretend the yardstick is your grain line, and I will be perfectly straight along the selvage. Or there's inches along this edge and the same markings along this edge. So all I have to do is put the grain line the same on both sides. Perfect and fast, and no shifting back and forth. I can see both sides at one time. It just makes it super duper easy. I am just so excited. This is like genius. These ends, they lock into place. They're wonderful. There's no measurement along here. It doesn't need to be. The measurements go both edges here. And then when you're done, folds up, won't break, easy to travel. Okay, so here's what I want you to see. This is tip number 2. When we do stretch woven pants, stretch wovens are probably the worst for twisting. And often it's because only one thread is a stretch and the other is a woven. So I want you to look at these pictures. This first one is typically how we fold fabric. We measure it out lengthwise, we fold it from selvage to selvage, and we cut one pant leg, we kind of measure from the fold, and one pant leg we measure from the selvages. And typically one pant leg will twist. And honestly, I believe it's because the measurement is too far away from the grain line, from the selvage, to make a difference. I want you to fold your fabric differently when making pants, especially stretch woven. And I want you to do the second. Notice that I'm folding the selvages together. The fold will be at the edge of my yardage. No different yardage is needed, just the folding of that fabric. Look at this picture so that I can run one leg along one selvage and one leg along another selvage, and I'm going to tell you something, it's going to make a huge difference. So does your leg twist? 2 solutions. First, our little ruler. The ruler's in pre-sale right now. It'll probably be ready next week, but where you can go in and reserve a copy, silhouettepatterns.com, and go into the Notions, to the tools, and it'll be right there. And then make sure you fold your fabric differently. That will help tremendously. The rest is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.